Dear students, this is Madhushri from Department of English, and this particular video for you all is to introduce to you about the second semester English syllabus. So this is a common syllabus for both BSc and BCA students, and as you already have gone through, what happens in first semester is that though we are autonomous, we are still affiliated to University of Mysore, and we haven't changed much of the Mysore University syllabus except for around 20% or so we have changed. So definitely all the students are recommended to buy the textbook prescribed by University of Mysore, that is Semiosis 2. In first semester you had Semiosis 1, now you will have to buy Semiosis 2, and because of this pandemic time, I understand that you may not be getting access to the books right now. So very shortly we will send you a PDF copy of your text. You can make use of that, and along with that I would also in this particular video tell you about what are the changes that we have done from that text to your syllabus. Okay, so the pattern of the syllabus remains almost the same like what you had in your first semester. We have in all 6 poems, 2 short stories and 2 essays. So division of prose and poetry, you can see in prose part you have short stories and essays, and you have language components. Please remember, students remember that this is going to make a very interesting read for all of you, because we have chosen, and the University of Mysore has also done a very good selection of poetry. And right from starting from a classic writer like John Milton, we have Indian writers like A.K. Ramanujam, who was, who's from our own Mysore, and who is a writer both in Kannada and English. And we have Gabriel Okara coming from Nigeria, Nigerian writer Kishwar Naheed, a woman writer from Pakistan. We have Mahang Dai from Arunachal Pradesh, of our own country. So we have another greatest romantic poet, William Wordsworth. So we have a very interesting kind of read. So this is going to be an opportunity for all of you to have a taste of how different thinkers from different parts of the world exhibit their poetic talent and understanding. Okay, and coming to again short stories, again we have Maxim Gorky, one of the most renowned Russian writers. Pepe is the short story that you're going to read, and A Cup of Tea by Catherine Mansfield. She's from Netherlands. So it's all in all going to make a very, very interesting read for you all. And coming to essay part is also almost like very inspiring ones you have this time. That is My Greatest Olympic Prize by Jessie Owen, and Letters from the Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. I suppose you must all have heard her name whenever we think about Holocaust literature, because when we had a B-Voice meeting in our department, the seniors and the professors from the university suggested that the students should have something from the Holocaust literature. So we thought this would make a very I say whenever we read such things, it's disturbing and it makes us think deep about life. So but it's a good read. You must be introduced to these kind of things. So what happened during Hitler's regime in Germany, I think this particular diary gave a very, very vivid idea about it. So a selected part of her things, the letters from the Diary of a Young Girl, Anne Frank, is suggested. So all in all, we have a very, very interesting pieces of literature which would definitely help you understand life in a greater perspective, in a larger way you can understand life. And definitely along with this we have language component, because primarily beyond literature here we are trying to improve your language skills as well. So grammar being the basic foundation for that. I know you've been doing these things right from your school days, but still it is always indulging in grammar refines your writing skills as well. So refines your language skills. So what are all there in the language component? That is, you have punctuations, framing questions, use of negatives, reading comprehension, antonyms and synonyms. And they may sound very simple, but the standard of the questions would be definitely for the degree standard and not from your school standards. Okay, keep that in mind. And coming to your examination or the question paper pattern, it remains the same as it was in your first semester. Just for your briefing again, you will have 2 annotations and you will have 5 options for that. You can just, out of 5, you need to answer only 2 annotations, and these 2 will carry 5 marks each, so that makes 10 marks for your annotations. And then you will have to write 2 essay type questions out of 5 questions. So you have lots of choice here. So these things you'll be writing for 10 marks. Please remember, students, 10 marks thing will always expect you to have an expansion of your expressions there. Don't give encrypted answers. Okay, unlike your science subjects, literature demands you to be very, very expressive. Give your idea lucid expression using the best of language skills that you have, bringing out your vocabulary and everything. You use that, and definitely, you'll be marked very good marks on those things. So here it is for 10 marks, 2 questions. And then coming to your short story, you'll be asked to write only 1 answer out of 2. Of course, you have only 2 short stories, so both the stories will be questioned, and then you will have to choose one question from that, and that one question carries 10 marks. The same goes with your essay type question as well. So 2 essays also will be questioned, and you will have to write only 1 answer for that, choosing the best whichever you know. So even that will carry 10 marks. So that comes to the total of 50 marks from your textbook part. And then here coming to language component, you will have 5 components, and each of those 5 components carry 4 marks. So that comes to your total of 20 marks. So in all, your question paper will be for 70 marks. And you will know that internal assessment marks, even this time we are going to definitely give your internal assessment mark. That will be for your 30 marks. So in all, it will be for 100 marks. So here also you will have to write your internal assessment tests and also assignments given. All these things will be looked into, and I'm sure that our journey through this tough time will stand strong. You will all give equal attention to your English classes as much as you give to your core subjects. And I wish you all the luck and good reading for this particular semester. Let me just tell you about a few changes that we have made from the text. That is, this we didn't have the Strider's poem, so we chose that, and we didn't have tables turned. We have chosen that as well. So these are a few changes and that we have made. And in fact, in the Mysore University text, you don't have 2 stories and 2 essays, and we have incorporated a cup of tea, which is an extra thing that you will have to study, and also diary of these 2 things were there in essay part was completely there from the Mysore University text. You find both the things. So cup of tea is one extra thing that we have added. And so I think even from the essay part, I think you will have to consider taking the copies, and I'll very soon send you the e-copies. Okay, so please, as far as possible, try to collect the textbooks from your seniors if it is a possibility, or we'll send you that e-copy. Okay, students, this is for this particular video. Shortly, I'll be posting you videos from your textbooks, and the poetry section I'm going to start with. Okay, thank you all.